We found a recipe online with refrigerator cinnamon rolls inside oranges. So that's what that is. Let's see if it comes out or not. So where are we staying?
Crowley Ridge.
Crowley's Ridge State Park in Arkansas, northeastern Arkansas. And hello, Tyler.
Hello.
We've got our fire, and we just cooked our packets with ground beef and vegetables. Came out pretty good. And we're gonna stay here tonight. We got our hammocks up and our tent, so we're all set. We shouldn't have any rain or anything. You guys have anything to say?
There was a spider crawling on me.
Yeah, there's a lot of daddy long legs.
No,
Few
it's just a regular
mosquitoes.
spider.
Oh. So this is a pretty campground. We're in the primitive site. All the RV sites are down there with the electricity.
Nope.
And we're going to have our s'mores. Can I look at your s'more granola? Chocolate and marshmallows and granola. And we might do regular s'mores too. Okay, we're having our s'mores minus the graham cracker. Rachel already had one. Dave did not have one. Look how tall the trees are. Okay, we're headed off to the bathroom.
We gotta film that.
So much fun.
Yay, exciting happenings in the campground. We are on the Dancing Rabbit Trail. It's about, what time is it, guys?
7.
It's about 7, so it actually looks darker on the screen than it actually is. But this is just like a 1.5 mile trail, so we thought we'd try to get a quick trail in tonight. Let's see if you can see better here. A little bit more light, but not much. So we're going to do this little loop tonight, Dancing Rabbit Trail. Good morning, everybody.
Good morning. Good morning.
What are we having for breakfast?
Eggs.
What's in the eggs?
Potatoes. Ham or something.
Ham, except Amy doesn't have ham because she's vegetarian. And tomatoes and onions and a little cheese. And then we got our fire master making the fire and some water boiling for coffee and hot chocolate. Did everybody sleep well?
No.
No.
You didn't? Are you joking?
No. She really did.
How do you know?
Because he told me.
No. So we found a recipe online with refrigerator cinnamon rolls inside oranges. So that's what that is. Let's see if it comes out or not.
No, but
Everybody doing okay? Awake?